So right here I'm hooking up the power probe so that I can check the fuse for the fuel pump and the relay. In this, the relay had continuity, and I powered it. It did not do anything. So now we are checking the fuel pressure. We hook this up in line so that we can connect it to the. As you can see, we do not have any fuel pressure right here. So this is the fuel pump control module. We are going to yellow and gray and the white and brown. Put it into the amperage section. And then we found that that had no continuity and we could not power the pump. So now we are removing the gas tank. First we'll start with this strap bolt. Next we're going to go to the rear strap bolt and loosen the filler neck. We had to do it from the other side of the tank. Pretty difficult from the top side. Then disconnect the high pressure line and the evap line. Here we had to use the 1/2 inch gun. The 3/8 gun had no prayer at pulling this bolt out. So this vent tube is, you squeeze the two sides, and then the fuel pump connector, you have to remove the red tab out, and then I had to use a pick on the other side of the connector to be able to get it off.